God! Retarded! So today we will be doing some fun stuff. We're gonna go swimming. We're gonna play some Capture the Flag in the dark, which may or may not be in the video because it was kind of crappy lighting, you know. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy today's video. See ya.
Show them that giant lady bug.
Where? Oh, is it like a
You're not even
cart? Yes, I am.
No, look, you're not even recording.
Yes, I am.
You're not.
Stupid.
Look,
Where?
Jason, it's a giant ladybug. Yeah.
It's a giant ladybug.
Let's go.
Why?
Move it, man, move it. Move it, move it.
Todd, he's the enemy. Okay. Okay, wait. Wait, one sec. I want to show you guys the river.
Yeah, it's beautiful. The river is actually.
Why don't you just listen for a minute?
Alright, so this is the river. We'll show you tomorrow. It's kind of hard to see. But this is like one of the clearest rivers in the USA. You can't really see it right now. Okay, he's still chasing us. Watch this, we're gonna lose him. I lost him.
Good job. Good job. Really good job.
Can you see me? Oh, they can see us. Crap. Oh, there's a car over there. Here, guys, let's head back. Let's head back. We got to the side. Come on, we gotta head back. Oh, he's peeing. Okay. Here. Tell us just head back.
Just listen for a minute.
Just catch up with us.
Okay, we won't. I'm sitting right here in the sand. Or right here, so he can't see until he gets close. So get back here. Get back here. Get back here. Get behind. Get behind. Oh, he saw us.
Oh, that's hilarious.
Okay, come on.
Okay, now we actually got that.
Yeah. I'm gonna record this. This is literally the bathroom.
Y'all got any veins?
How's the water?
What?
How's the water?
Good, it's refreshing. Yeah, it's refreshing.
Oh, just wait till you get out, you punks. So I'm thinking we should play this war game we were playing last night, but we need to find sticks for everybody for guns.
Oh, we should
'cause
introduce
it's
them
a
to
low budget
Gemini.
Nerf gun video. War game?
This one's cool. Look at this.
Oh, that's dope. Not. Oh.
Oh, that's cool though.
I know where I'm gonna hide. Yes! No, I'm not. I'm just gonna sit there. Right there. I see him. I see, okay, I see guys. I see, they're further down the beach. Okay, so I think cousin Todd are further down the beach. I'm gonna go follow them. So, yeah. shut up, or else I'll shoot you again.
Next, you have been stopped.
It'll be really painful. Or I'll throw a stick at you. That'd be fun. Alright, maybe look at us right here. Actually, I'm gonna sneak out.
All the time I turn around, brothers gather round, always looking at me up and down, looking at my